Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to be making Atole De Avena con leche. This is basically a milky oatmeal drink that's perfect for the cold weather. So to get started, I'm going to be using a half cup of quick cooking oats. And what I've done is I actually took this and put it through my food processor to make it a fine, almost flour-like texture. This is what's going to thicken and flavor this oatmeal drink. I'm also going to be using 2.5 cups of cinnamon tea. And the way I did that was basically take 3 cups of water. I added 1 medium to large size cinnamon stick and I break it in half. And then you're going to want to bring the water up to a simmer or boil and let it boil for about 5 minutes covered and then let it steep for another 10. So after it has steeped, you'll want to strain your tea and this is what you end up with, around 2.5 cups of liquid. I'm also going to be using 2 12-ounce cans of evaporated milk. You could also substitute that amount with whole milk. I will also be adding sweetened condensed milk to taste. I'm going to start with a half cup of this. And then I will be adding 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. So to get started, I'm going to be using around a 3-quart pot for this. And I'm going to add my cinnamon tea to the pot. And I will also be adding both cans of evaporated milk. And as I stated earlier, you can substitute that with whole milk. Now the next ingredient I forgot to mention earlier, but I will be adding a pinch of salt. And this is probably less than 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. And this is basically going to balance the sweetness and flavors in this drink. So now I'm going to give that a mix. And next I'm going to be adding my oatmeal. And I do want to say, I like the texture and thickness of this drink to be on the looser side, not so thick and porridge-like. So if you do want that kind of texture, maybe use 2/3 cup of oatmeal in this. But trust me, once this drink sets, it will definitely get a lot thicker. So I'm just going to whisk this in, and over a medium to medium-low heat, I'm going to bring this to a gentle simmer. And this will take time, and the time will vary depending on how high or how you adjust your heat. So once everything comes up to a gentle simmer, I am going to add my half cup of sweetened condensed milk. And at this point, you're going to sweeten this with sugar or maybe sweetened condensed milk to your preference. So I'm going to combine this well and whisk constantly for about 10 minutes until it starts to thicken and the oatmeal starts to cook. So I have had this gently simmering while mixing on a medium-low heat for about 10 minutes, and it is completely thickened. And even though it does look a little runny, trust me, once you serve it and it sets for about 3 minutes, it's going to completely thicken, but it's still drinkable. So I'm going to shut the heat off and I'm going to add my 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, give it a mix, and this is ready to serve. I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.